Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of the Indicator Store. And if you saw my previous video about Supertrend and its evolution, the ATR bar color, this is the ATR bar color. Just a reminder, we don't get longs when the market is going down, we only get shorts. But this is the ATR bar color, and this other chart is the same with the same settings or with the Supertrend. The Supertrend we already saw has a lot of settings. We can change the lines. Currently we are following an HMA. Let me show you how can we change this. Let's say that instead of an HMA we select an EMA, which is slower. Then the line is more it is not going so close to the price action. Anyway, we can decrease the period and try to emulate the other line, but we know it is impossible decreasing the period to make it work in the same way. Most of the time the HMA is doing a great job doing that. Okay, now another way to go closer to the price action is changing the multiplier by just selecting 3 or 4, etc. And with a small number we get a lot of switchings in the trend. Now you may say, okay, maybe we can use this as an exit condition, because you can see we can use the inverse signals as an exit, and in that case we need just something fast like the HMA. So we have another indicator, and this one is the SuperTrail, no Supertrend. Let's remove the ATR bar color from here. And if we add the Supertrail, this is a very simple indicator with just 3 parameters. The period of an HMA, because we cannot change the line, the multiplier, and the ATR length. The same settings that we have on the Supertrend, but we don't have the option to change the line type. Okay. Now, if we place the same settings, we should get the same. Let's say, for example, that on this Supertrail, we select the parameters HMA, 14, 2.6, and 21. 2.6, 21. Now you can see we have the same setting. The only difference that on this indicator the plots or the signals are end short. You can see that this triangle, let me hide the other indicator. So Supertrend, let's turn it off. Okay. So now you can see that we have the downtrend, the uptrend. This signal is the end of the short trend. This signal is the end of the uptrend. And also we have a plot showing the current trend with only 2 options, going up or going down. So this is a very useful indicator with exposed plots that we can use just for visually exit the position, or we can use those plots inside our strategy on Builder, NinjaScript, or including also markers, to close our current position when the market is no longer going down. We can use this signal. So as usual, if you have any question or comment, you can contact me on the chat room that we have on Discord. The access is free. and the description to access is on the description of this video. Thank you, everyone.